0, this is 1 for a radio check.
Loud and clear. Where will we go for fuel? What by the good stuff or? Garage.
You go to the Shell if you want at Lizzie Bryce, or you can get fuel in Edinburgh. Huh.
Just go to the Lizzie Bryce.
Right, okay. Finn, Lizzie. Right, you lead, I'll follow. Get your nice arse on camera.
You some boy, eh?
He is cracking wee laddie.
Can't hear you. Anything you're saying, Sean?
Right, maybe we need to change that visor then, Alan, and get your sunglasses. Because it's only going to get worse when we get up to speed.
I know. Can't I change it now?
Well, you want to go back once they're fueled up?
I think it's something else. I'm going to take the earplugs out.
Right. What one's unavailable? Oh no, you've got V power. Or not?
E5.
E5's available.
Good stuff, isn't it?
Oh, that's the good stuff.
I've got the panniers on, so do not fucking batter your leg.
I've no. Oh, I'm sweating. Oh, it's so much easier to get off the bike without the panniers on.
Alright, enough, you know, got them on. Okay, it's hot, eh?
Yeah, man.
Fucking excellent.
Summer in Scotland, it's the best day of the year.
The summer day of the year. Shit, we've had a couple of good days.
Aye, but not enough.
Not enough. Not like last weekend.
Here's your favourite camera coming up.
I'll have to keep the fucking visor up there.
Ka-ching!
Do that fucking thing.
Going round them. I need to trim my right eyebrow.
What?
My right eyebrow needs a haircut. Just my right one, my left one seems okay. Hopefully the bypass will be trouble free. There's been carnage on that just about every day this week.
Is that?
Aye.
Quite quiet though, eh?
We'll see when we get onto this bypass. We're going to be up the middle here, Alec.
Oh, fucking hell, look.
This is a Sunday. Can you believe it?
It's
A Sunday. Look at it. It's unreal. Brake lights galore. Right up the middle, Dusty, right up the middle. Honestly, I can't be bothered when it's like this.
no. Over a bit, you dick.
It's because I'm not looking in the mirrors, eh? He's moved over, thanking you kindly, sir.
Look at this Audi. If it was any smaller, put it in my panniers.
It's coming out again. There's this car going.
Where the fuck are you going?
It's not got a clue where it's going, Alec. Absolutely
Oh, man.
brain dead. So it's moving now, eh? That slowness for nothing, absolutely nothing. Crazy, eh?
Fucking mental.
Zero problems. Yet they've got to all crawl.
Where the noise is coming from? My fucking visor was done. See the front screen? That was down.
What, on the bike?
Aye. Just put it back up.
Does that
I
help?
must have put it down though.
Aye. I'm going
It must
to,
be the difference in the sound, eh?
yeah. I'm going to have a look at getting a touring screen for this one that's just a wee bit taller. But then again, I like the shape of this screen, eh?
Could we go for chips or ice cream? Both.
Why not?
Visor up, getting a bit fucking hot.
Bet it's like this all the way to Sheriff Hall.
Yes.
Does that sat-nav give you live traffic?
Say that again?
Does your sat-nav give you live traffic?
No.
Nah. Well, you don't need live traffic for a city bypass because you already know it's fucked.
Look at the guy in the wheel, he's sitting on the right hand side.
Yeah, because he's educated.
She.
She.
Electric fucking car, eh?
Mm-hmm.
They're over about. Even the truck's moving to the left.
Professional driver. My right hand's all tingly.
Gills.
Pins and needles. But it's not the bike. This bike doesn't vibrate.
Temporary road surface.
They've been doing this at night, eh? Doesn't matter that there's no road markings because these dafties don't even stay in between the lines anyway.
Oh.
My left nostril's itchy. It's better. Nostradamus.
My handlebars get through, my panniers get through.
Yeah. Oh, you've plenty of room with your panniers. See over in Europe, in a
Oh, that's
situation...
nice, that's nice.
Aye.
Fucking hell, I nearly fell off the bike, seen that.
Over in Europe, if this was over in Europe, the cars would be to each side.
Absolutely.
Here, nah, we just...
How the emergency services can't get fucking through, eh?
Here, nah, we just drive any way we want to.
Visor up.
Visor up. I'm going to put mine up as well, actually. Excuse the wind noise. Or the whistling. It's the only thing with this helmet, it's a cracking helmet, but when you've got the visor up, it whistles, eh? It's
Other
a...
visor's shite, by the way. I put it up this morning and it fucking fell back down itself.
What, in that helmet? This roundabout's an absolute disgrace.
Looks pretty at night though.
I've stalled it.
I've just fucking in the neutral.
First time I've stalled it for ages.
I'm in the wrong lane here.
No,
No.
just all they'd have to is think that they should be in the outside lane, eh?
Alright. Now he's going to indicate to come in.
Mm-hmm. Hello, monster truck.
Oh, the chippy on the coast where we were with Willie.
What, North Berwick?
Going to North Berwick.
It's up to yourself.
You tell me.
We could get ice lollies at that shop like what we done with Willie and go down to the beach.
We're going to go past that though.
Yeah, we can go down to the beach and eat them and then
We're
just,
going to North Berwick. We're just going to North Berwick get a chippy and ice cream, eh?
if you want, aye.
Want to sit the one on the coast there?
Aye. Well, if we go to the one on the coast, we can stop at the Scotland and we can buy cornettos.
Aye.
Just one cornetto. Give it to me.
Not fucking likely at 40p. You've heard that one before?
Aye, when was the last time a cornetto was 40p?
Fuck those. I
Well-
just made that up.
Probably about 1985.
Was it? Sure, I fucking know.
I'm only guessing like, but probably. We've come the wrong way to go to the shop.
Shop we have.
Aye, 'cause we'd need to turn left.
Why don't we just go to North Berwick and get chippy and ice cream? That'll do.
Aye. Well, we can get a chippy down here, and then we can head
Aye.
into North Berwick and get an ice cream. That'll give the chippy time to go down, eh?
Arse.
Aye. We'll get a chippy here, and then we
Look
can.
at that.
I know. And then we
What
can.
can I say?
Yeah. And then we can head into North Berwick.
Aye.
Aye, the chippy's there. The chippy is there.
God, it's busy.
It always is. Every time I come here it's busy.
I just ducked there just in case. Up to the left here.
Aye. Left, left, left.
Too far up the banking.
No wanking on the banking.